You know, my hair's getting long. I'm hot. I was outside shoveling and snow blowing. Winter. I hate winter. I really don't like winter at all. I traveled a fair bit this summer, which was awesome because, you know, we haven't traveled much in the last few years. So being able to go some places this year was kind of nice, you know. And what I saw a lot of, not necessarily from me, but even from those I traveled with or those just around, a lot of people today, a lot of folks today, all they use for traveling, for photography, for video is their smartphone, right? This guy right here. But if you're taking pictures of yourself, or like for me, if I was taking pictures of me and Mary, yeah, we take selfie pictures for sure, but it would be nice to get the phone out further for sure. And stuff all over my shirt. And these guys here, Telesin, which we've done a lot of Telesin stuff over the years on our channel because you know what? Bang for buck. They do pretty good stuff. I'm very happy with their stuff. I use a lot of their action camera mounts. I use this guy right here. We just did a review on their phone mount for here, their chest mount, necklace mount thing. So go watch that if you haven't. This doesn't look overly large, right? I was like, really? That's in this box? I guess so. So this is the Telesin Mini Selfie Stick Magnetic. Now my guess is this is going to be very similar, what's inside it, to how this worked here, where it had a magnetic ring for those of us that are rocking like iPhones with MagSafe on it. But for those of you that aren't, you'll get possibly a little ring like this, would be my guess, in the box, so that you can stick that onto your phone of choosing, whatever phone you have, and then you're ready to go. So selfie magnetic, nope, didn't even say that right at all. Mini selfie stick magnetic. Okay, what does it say on the side here? Strong adsorption. They got that spelled wrong. Absorption. I'll have to let them know. Portable storage. What? Portable storage? Oh, it folds up. It's not as if it's storage, so that's how it fits in the box. Bluetooth remote control. Really? Okay. And then reinforced tripod legs. All inside here. This is the model WS2200F5. So, this is what you get. I love how small it is already. I don't know how much it costs, but I'll put links down below if you guys are interested in it. You're like, well, that's cool, because I'm all about being selfied. Yeah, that's right. You want to be selfied. So what comes in here? Yeah, see? So the same kind of, there's your little ring. So that little blue little sticker ring that goes on, so that you get like magnet thing on your phone. Now, what I would do is if you have, let's say, either an old iPhone, older, or an Android phone that has like Qi charging, what I would do is I would try to line this up as best as possible so that, you know, it is perfectly kind of placed where your Qi charger is on your phone, so that maybe you could use some of the MagSafe things to charge. Yep. Anything else? You do get a manual, it looks like. Manual. So there you go. That's going over there. It says, open the bracket, stick on your phone. There is a little, like, you guys may be able to see that. You know, go into your phone. There should be a Bluetooth remote. And shoot away. Off you go. You're rocking and rolling. Ooh, that's nice. I can already tell it's nice. Yeah, I need something like this for like my GoPro Insta360 cameras. Oh, I like that. That's nice looking with the silver. Yes, does this tilt at all? Maybe not. Oh, it spins so that when it's on, you can rock it like 45 degrees. So, there's my phone. I have to say, they use a pretty good magnet. I don't want to, right? Like, but it's not coming off unless you pull it off. Yeah, that's decent. And then once it's on there, you got little 45, right? Little 45 notches, depending on where you are wanting it to to go to, right? Okay, that's sweet. Now it's a little loosey right there, right in that area. It's got a little bit of, maybe, no, it is just what it is. This, okay, that comes out. That comes out. I'm going to put it the way I would use it. Okay, so it's out like that. See, it is. This does want to like flick around because it's right. See that? I can get it to. Not that you and I are probably going to be spitting all over the place. Not that you and I are going to be doing this. This is extreme testing. You know, but if you have it out there and you're like, oh, I need it to be portrait. It's a feature. It's not a feature. Need it to be landscape again. You gotta get your tongue. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed it again. There you go. Feature. But you've got good at it. You can do it like once. Snap. Right? You just kind of, because that would be too, because the way I did it, way better. All right, so there it is, right? This can go straight up if you need it. It's got good friction in here. I will give it that. Like it's got, once it's out, it's not as if it's gonna sink back. These I think are just legs. These are little tripod feet, right? You just kind of. Yeah, that's fine. It's good. You know, what more do you want out of tripod legs? That's it. And then if I took this off, this, oh, I like that. It's just right there. You see this? Just a little click. My guess is it's got a little thing in here for the battery so that it doesn't, you know, take that out. Now the battery's alive and active. So if I just put that there, go into my Bluetooth, right? Bluetooth. At the bottom, you will see if I turn that on, if I do something to turn this on, is there a switch or something on here? No. Do I just hold it? Click. Okay, so the light turned green. Yes. There it is. Telesin. And now, is that there? Would like to connect? Yes. Just make sure when you're not using, you turn that off, right? I'm just going to face this toward you guys so that you can see it. Yes. Okay, my tables. Does that seem crooked? So you want to make sure, this is the one thing, right? You got to make sure your phone goes on like perfect, because the phone can go on any angle, right? So you just got to make sure it's, I wish there was a way to just kind of make sure that it went the way it was supposed to. You know what I mean? That it forced it into the right way. So let's say we have this, okay, facing, okay, no, it's facing me. So this way, right? I'm here. I'm like, okay, I can see it because I see that screen over there. I'm facing me. I'm looking. Got my remote ready, and boom, picture. Boom, picture. And I believe if you had that in video, so if I go to video and do the same thing, I like it, but I want it wider. Yes, wider. You guys would probably just be using the selfie cam, right, instead of this. But there it is. Now I think if I do this again, ready, and click, recording. And it's nice, it's handy. It's like, it's a nice, you know, that's a decent little remote. That remote by itself probably cost you, I don't know, $10 maybe? Something like that. Yeah, I think it's good. Am I still recording? Stop. Yeah, so just because, unlike a photo, right? And then when you're done, you just, that's sweet. It's good. And then you take your stuff off, you fold it back up, you squish it back down, and it's all mini. All mini. Throw that in your bag. Doesn't take up much room. Yeah, it's decent. It's decent. There's a few things I wish were a little tighter. I do wish the legs here were a little tighter, because there's a little bit of play in the leg right here. And I do wish that this was a little tighter, right? Because right in, like it has a snap to it, but as you can see, I could move it around. It's not horrible. It's not as if you were going to be doing what I did. So when it's on there normal, it's fine. Just tighter's better, right? If you can get it just a little more snug, I'd just be a little bit more happy. All right, guys, that's it. That's the Telesin mini something or other, mini selfie stick magnetic. Yeah, there it is, right? There it is. Take it in, enjoy it. Links down below if you're interested. And I'll see you guys next video. Later.